Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this everyday wearable makeup look. This is perfect for me for working every day, and it's perfect for you high school girls, college girls, working girls out there. This is super easy to do, and I have on no foundation. You can achieve this look without foundation, you guys, and you know, sometimes less is more, so that's why I love this look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna jump right in and start with, I already moisturized my face with the Nivea face cream, and you know, obviously I done my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go into priming my skin. My daughter is over here watching TV. It's Aaliyah, ooh, I almost fell out of my chair. Okay, so going into primer, I'm gonna be using the Baby Skin by Maybelline. I've been loving this primer. I'm almost out, which scares me because I'm gonna have to go get some more. But I'm going to prime my face with this, as well as my NYX Honey Do Me Up. I'm looking for my mirror. This is good if you have large pores. This is supposed to, well, this does blur them out. So now I'm going to apply my NYX Honey Do Me Up primer as well, just because I want to be extra and see how they work together mixed. So now that my face is properly primed and moisturized, you're ready for the foundation, concealer, whatever you're going to be using. So for this look, I'm basically showing you guys what I've been doing, like, to go to work, and I think this is perfect for college students, high school students, and people like me who go to work every day. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just conceal any areas that I think need to be concealed, and also highlight underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna set with powder. And I use like the least bit of products for this, you guys, and it looks great. So for concealer today, a little bit closer. So to conceal and just kind of add some coverage, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, only because my Tarte and my Kat Von D and my Maybelline are a little bit too light. I forgot what I was saying because my daughter keeps distracting me. Oh, help me. So I'm just going to use this concealer to conceal, like, I have a few red spots over here, like around my nose. I'm just doing this to help it a little bit more. Let me turn this, my cartoons off. So I kind of concealed my breakouts that I had, like a little scarring. And yeah, so now I'm ready to apply like a brightening concealer. And for this, I am going to use my Kat Von D concealer, Lock-It concealer, and I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes. And this I do dump. Sometimes I skip this step when I'm just really in a rush, but when I want a little bit more coverage and like in a more awakened look, I do apply concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I do the same steps as I normally would. This one is a lot lighter than me, but I like it because it makes me look brightened underneath my eyes. And I'm just doing this to warm up the product before I, you know, blend it out. I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. So now that I have applied my concealer underneath my eyes to kind of brighten me up, I am going to get my Coty Airspun and just put the powder right underneath my eyes so that it is bright under there. This is optional, and I don't do this every day, but when I do apply concealer and I want my skin to like be bright underneath my eyes, I do use a lighter translucent setting powder. for the most important part, evening out my skin tone on the rest of my face and getting some more coverage, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is $29. So I know if you're in high school that might be a little bit steep, but if once you buy this, it's going to change your life because you're going to be able to do this type of look, and it's going to save you so much time. Instead of having to put foundation on, you know, I don't really know a really good drugstore foundation powder. If you guys know one that's cheaper, let me know because I'm all about saving some money. For this step, I like to use a flat top brush like so. This one's from Vanity Planet. This one came in a set of brushes. This one is also one that I like to use. It's from e.l.f. and it is $3. I've had that one for years. So I like to use a brush like that. That way I can really press the product into my skin. So I just take the brush, kind of swirl it around in the powder, and then I like to press it into my skin. Okay guys, so you tell me what you think. This is, you know, my skin now that I have put the powder on it, and I mean, I think it looks amazing for it to just be powder. I have on no foundation, you guys saw, and I don't have anything else on except for the MAC powder, and I think it evened out my skin tone great. And yeah, it just makes me look more put together. So now I'm going to go into bronzing my face, and to do this I use anything basically really that I have on hand. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani Baked Soleil bronzer. This is a shimmery bronzer, but it's not shimmery to the point to where it looks, you know, weird on your face. So this is what it looks like. You guys have seen me use this, I'm sure, in other videos. And I'm just going to take an angled brush to sort of bronze up my face. Let's see. Where's my brush? Actually, I'm going to go ahead and go into a brush like this. I love this for bronzing my face and contouring. Well, this one I really like more for contouring, so we're not going to use that. I'm going to use a brush like this, almost like a blush brush, and I'm going to twirl it around in there. Knock off some excess, and yeah, warm up my face a little bit. So for this, I don't focus on my contour area. I just kind of focus on my cheekbones, if that makes sense, like the tops of my cheekbones. So see, can you see where I put the product? Now for this, okay, so now I have warmed up my face, as you guys can see, and my forehead. So now I'm gonna go in, I am gonna contour my nose a little bit just to be extra for this video, but I don't do this every day for work or anything like that. So I'm just gonna take a brush like this, and I have a Fit Me powder in the color Toffee Caramel. This is number 330, and it's just a little bit darker than my skin tone. I have used this to to bronze up my skin as well. And I'm just going to, does this have a mirror? It does. I'm going to contour my nose just a little bit. You guys, so now before I do anything else, I go ahead and spray my face before I add highlighter and blush, just so that everything can kind of melt in, because you guys know with using powder, sometimes you can kind of look powdery, and I don't want to look powdery. And so I do spray my face a few times, and of course I'm using my Mario Badescu, so okay, so I have on my lashes, and what I'm going to do, and I did apply mascara, you guys. So I'm just using the Big Shot mascara by Maybelline, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Now normally I really don't wear eyeliner either, but you could if you wanted to. And also it's optional if you want to apply like a brown shadow on your eyes. I don't, but that's totally up to you. So yeah, that's basically all I do for like my face and stuff. I am going to highlight and apply a little bit of, actually, yeah, I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush, but I'm gonna highlight as well. Now I do still do that step just because it pulls everything together. What I used in my last video, I'm using this one right here. This is by e.l.f. This is called Techniques highlighting brush, or this is actually a setting brush from them, but I'm going to highlight my face with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Alright, so my braid out little situation failed, so I just threw my hair in an up and down ponytail, and I'm just going to finish off the look with some gloss, and I'm keeping it really simple. I'm using Peanut Brittle by NYX. This is their Intense Butter Gloss, so I'm going to apply that on my lips really quick. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys found this tutorial to be helpful. Super simple but glam, affordable makeup that you can wear every day, and it's super quick. And so I wanted to share with you guys, this is what I have been doing on a daily basis. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up for me. Please subscribe before you go, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye guys.